Paul Scott Black, and I am the Bow Tie Gourmet. What happens when a pig hits a home run? They hit it out of the pork. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a great roasted pork tenderloin. It's going to be great. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to cooking.
Alright gang, we're going to start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees, and then we're going to make our sauce. We're going to take 1/4 cup of soy sauce and add it to a mixing bowl. Then we add 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Two tablespoons of Dijon mustard, then we will add 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then we're just going to whisk it all together and set it aside. Then you're going to peel 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. I have this nice little garlic peeler that makes it easier to get the skins off, but you do have to give it a little push to get that off. Then you're going to take your garlic cloves and cut them into slivers and then set them aside. For the star of our show, we're going to take a tenderloin that we got at the store. It came in 2 parts and we could certainly tie it together, but we're just going to cut it into medallions anyway. So we're going to pierce the tenderloin and we're going to stick those slivers of garlic right into the meat. And we are going to do that on both sides of each part of the tenderloin. And we're going to take our tenderloin and place it in a baking sheet that we've lined with aluminum foil. It'll make cleanup a whole lot easier at the end. And then we are going to take our marinade from before and we are just going to put that on top of that tenderloin, spreading it out. And then we'll go back with a spoon and make sure it's nice and covered. Then into the oven it goes for about 30 minutes. We'll take it out and we'll take the juices from the pan and just drizzle them over the pork tenderloin. Then back into the oven for about 30 more minutes of cooking. So after about another 30 minutes, you're going to take the pan out of the oven and you're going to transfer the tenderloins to a cutting board, and then you are going to tent them with foil. And we're going to take the drippings from the pan and we're going to add them to about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to make a slurry, and then we're going to add that into our drippings, whisk it up to make our sauce. Then we're just going to cut our tenderloin into thin medallions. Tie a bow on it because it's done. Delicious roasted pork tenderloin with an amazing sauce. Goodness gracious sakes alive, this is an amazing dish. I served it with sugar snap peas and roasted red potatoes. You will definitely hit it out of the pork with your family if you make this roasted pork tenderloin. My name is Paul Scott Black and I am the Bow Tie Gourmet. Please subscribe to my channel to see future videos. Click, share, and like videos, and then click on the entrees playlist at the end of this video to see other great entrees.